Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Having trouble with a declined payment on Uber Eats? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it quickly. Open the Uber Eats app and navigate to the account section by tapping your profile icon. Then tap on Wallet to check your saved payment methods. If your payment method is marked as declined, tap on it to see more details or update it. Update your card information, double check the card number, expiration date, and CVV code to make sure they are accurate. If the issue persists, add a new payment method by tapping Add Payment Method and entering the details of another card or account. Retry your order. If everything is correct, your payment should go through without any issues. And that's it. Keep your payment methods up to date for a seamless experience. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.